Holy sh**.
There's a new listing in Sundance, Wyoming. Country living just leveled up. Welcome to 2385 Highway 585 in Sundance, Wyoming.
Where you've got 40 acres of freedom, views for days, and it's all set up for livestock.
And you can even bring a dog, or 20.
Pipe corrals, shelters, fencing, it's all here, and your animals are going to thank you for it. Dog lovers, pay attention. This place has heated indoor and outdoor kennels, plus a 100-foot by 100-foot dog park. Your dogs may never want to come back inside.
And the shop? 1,400 square feet of heated workspace with concrete floors. Whether you're into fixing things, building stuff, or just hiding out for some peace and quiet, this is your spot. The ranch-style home has been updated, features main level living, multiple heat sources to keep you nice and warm, and a wraparound porch that's basically a front row seat to Bear Lodge mountain views. Properties like this don't come around very often.
So call us today before someone else grabs it.
And trust me, they will.